Walk into a Costco and the Kirkland Signature Full Synthetic Jug is probably the easiest decision in the motor oil aisle. Strong additive chemistry, fully certified, priced the way Costco prices everything. Amsoil Signature Series is not in that aisle, it never was. And that is the first thing you need to understand about this comparison. Both products print the words Full Synthetic on the front of the label. Both clear the current American Petroleum Institute service standard. If you're someone who cares about protecting your vehicle with real facts instead of marketing hype, hit that subscribe button right now. That is where the similarity ends, and the reason it ends there comes down to something most oil buyers have never thought to ask. Where did the molecule come from before it went into the bottle? Think of it like a Gucci loafer sitting next to a well-made pair of dress shoes from a mid-tier brand. Both are leather, both have a proper sole. You wear either one to a meeting and nobody in the room notices a difference. Now put 300,000 miles of pavement under them in the rain and the cold. And what separated those two shoes stops being invisible. The material always mattered. It just took long enough for the material to show itself. Kirkland Signature Full Synthetic is manufactured by Warren Distribution. And if you buy it, you are getting a genuine product. Group 3 hydrocracked base oil is the industry's high watermark for refined petroleum chemistry. Crude oil extracted from the ground goes through a high-pressure hydrogen treatment process that strips out sulfur and removes wax. It restructures the molecular chains until the result is stable, clean, and consistent enough to clear every modern performance specification. This is not a shortcut. Group 3 hydrocracking produces a base stock that is chemically far closer to a man-made synthetic. At a 5,000 to 7,500 mile drain interval, built around a Tier 1 additive package, this oil does exactly what it was designed to do. The detergents, dispersants, and antioxidants are calibrated for that service window. Engineered for the driver who changes oil on schedule. Amsoil Signature Series does not compete on retail price. That is not a stumble. It is a strategy. Keeping Amsoil out of mass market distribution frees the chemical engineering budget from the constraints of the Walmart shelf. What that budget produces is a base stock that doesn't come from the ground at all. Group 4 POW is a synthesized molecule built from scratch. The feedstock comes from alpha olefin, and the oligomerization process produces molecular chains that are geometrically uniform in size. Not mostly uniform, not statistically consistent within a range. Identical. When a molecule is engineered rather than refined, every chain can be designed to the same length and thermal response curve. The variation that exists across every barrel of Group 3 oil, even a very clean barrel, simply does not exist here. Amsoil then pairs that Group 4 backbone with Group 5 ester chemistry, and that pairing solves two separate problems at once. Ester molecules carry a natural polarity, meaning they are electrostatically attracted to metal surfaces. Under boundary lubrication conditions, when the hydrodynamic oil film collapses between two moving metal surfaces, ester molecules do not drain away. They hold. That surface adhesion is the last line of defense before metal asperity contact becomes measurable wear. Group 4 polyalpha-olefin on its own has poor natural solvency, which means additive molecules tend to drop out of solution over long drain intervals. The ester component offsets that by keeping the detergent and antioxidant package suspended and active across the full service life of the oil. The most direct way to see this molecular difference on paper is through the NOACK volatility test. NOACK measures how much of an oil's total volume vaporizes when held at 250 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. Kirkland's signature scores around 10 to 11%. That is a respectable result that meets most modern engine oil specifications. Amsoil's Signature Series routinely comes in at 6 to 7%. That difference only looks small until you trace what it means inside an engine. Every fraction of a percent that vaporizes under piston temperatures does not leave cleanly. It leaves a carbon residue. That carbon accumulates on the face of low-tension piston rings used to reduce friction and improve fuel economy. Carbon deposits wedging a low-tension ring shut mean the ring can no longer seal the combustion chamber. Blow-by gases leak past it. The engine that was supposed to last 300,000 miles starts burning oil at 150,000, and the cause is molecular evaporation. Amsoil's engineered molecules resist that vaporization because there are no short, lightweight chains waiting for a hot piston to boil them off. The second number that separates these products is total base number. This measures the alkaline reserve used to neutralize corrosive acids. Every combustion cycle introduces sulfur compounds and nitrogen oxides into the crankcase, which form acids. When it depletes to near zero, the oil has no defense left against corrosive attack on bearing surfaces and cylinder walls. Kirkland's additive package is calibrated for a 5,000 to 7,500 mile change interval, where the alkaline reserve does not need to be large. If you're someone who cares about protecting your vehicle with real facts instead of marketing hype, hit that subscribe button right now. The oil gets refreshed before the buffer runs out, which is the whole point of the engineering decision. Amsoil's signature series carries a total base number of over 12. That number is not an accident. The calcium-magnesium detergent loading and the ashless antioxidant package are formulated in volume, specifically because the oil is engineered to hold the total base number above the critical threshold through 25,000 miles of continuous use. That is a target Kirkland's standard additive system was never built to survive, and it was never asked to be. What separates these two products is not quality. Kirkland's signature is a high-quality oil. A driver changing at 5,000 to 6,000 miles in a naturally aspirated engine gets everything that engine needs at a fair price. What Kirkland cannot do is compress 25,000 miles of chemistry into the same additive reserve. The molecules were not designed for that window. Amsoil's signature series is for the turbocharged engine running sustained high-temperature cycles, extended drain intervals by necessity. The ester backbone is there because those conditions strip conventional additive packages faster than the labels on the bottle acknowledge. Same words on the front, same API badge, completely different molecule underneath. That is the distance between a standard department store shoe and a hand-stitched Italian masterpiece.